Afcon never disappoints, and this one might be one of the most emotionally charged games that we are yet to witness in Group B. South Africa versus Zimbabwe. We are neighbors, we are rivals, and once again, qualification hangs in the balance. One team is wounded, and another one is fighting to survive. And as history tells us, this game will not be easy. Historically, Zimbabwe has been a bogey team for South Africa. The matches are ugly, the matches are frustrating, and some of the South African fans have gone on to accuse the Zimbabwean players of playing not to win the tournament, but just to stop South Africa from progressing any further. Whether these claims are fair or not, one thing that I know is Zimbabwe will love these moments. Zimbabwe cherish these moments, the moments where they have to upset their neighbor, the moment where they have to stop South Africa. And as for South Africans, they all know what kind of a game this is going to be. But first, let me provide you with some context. After 2 rounds of matches, Group A is finally poised. Egypt sit top with 6 points, South Africa are second with 3 points, Zimbabwe and Angola are tied on 1 point each. For South Africa, a win means they will secure their place in the round of 16. But as for Zimbabwe, a win will only keep the dream alive because it will also depend on the result between Angola and Egypt. So there is no room for caution and there is no margin for error. South Africa came into this match hurt, frustrated and angry. Their 1-0 defeat to Egypt was more than just a loss. It felt like injustice. Egypt, reduced to 10 men, still managed to win thanks to a soft penalty after Mohamed Salah went down in the box. Moments later, South Africa were then denied a penalty of their own for a handball, with VAR ruling it out as the ball striking the player's supporting hand while falling. That decision sparked outrage. Social media erupted. Players looked deflated at full time. But for now, Bafana must move on because at Afcon, anger alone does not win you matches. On the other hand, Zimbabwe arrive with belief still intact. Their 1-0 draw against Angola may have not been spectacular, but it was enough to keep them alive in the group. They know the situation. They know what is required. Win, and they're in the conversation for qualification. Lose, and Afcon 2025 is over. This is a team that thrives when they are written off. Organized, physical, disciplined, they have nothing to lose. Expect 2 very different approaches to this game. South Africa will look to dominate position. They will look to push high, attack Zimbabweans with all their movement and width. But for Zimbabwe, we expect them to sit deep, try to defend as much as possible, and then hit South Africa on that counter-attack. The first goal is everything in a game like this. If South Africa scores first, we expect the game to open up. But if Zimbabwe scores first, we expect them to play a low block and continue with that defending, transitioning into counter-attacks. So this game is very crucial for both Zimbabwe and South Africa because they know that it is a do-or-die situation. This match isn't just about football. It's about pride, it's about pressure, and it's about progression. For South Africa, they are playing to prove that they belong. Zimbabwe, they are playing to survive. Afcon always delivers drama, and with this game, drama is written all over it. What do you think will happen? Does South Africa bounce back, or Zimbabwe will play spoiler once again? And also, drop your predictions in the comments, and let's see who will get the best prediction. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you on the game.